how to buy crypto in Roth Ira. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vincent, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin with your retirement account. Well, thanks to Cryptopedia, I'm able to show you. I'll leave the link to this website on the description as well, so you can see your contents and such, how you can buy Bitcoin Ira. Here you can see step 1, it's establish an IRA with a company that allows you to buy crypto with your accounts. So you can use an IRA company that allows you to buy cryptocurrency with the funds in your account. Now you'll need to first fund your crypto compatible retirement account by sending your contributions to that account, transferring funds from your existing account, or rolling over your account to a crypto compatible one. Once your account is funded, you can buy cryptocurrency from the account. Now, when choosing an IRA that lets you buy crypto from the account, ensure they are regulated and licensed as well. The IRS does not allow you to place property like securities or bonds in retirement accounts. However, you can buy the property with funds from your retirement account and hold it there, because the Internal Revenue Service considers cryptocurrencies property for tax purposes. You can add them to an IRA if the IRA buys and holds them. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.